Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Honda CB125R. As the name denotes, it's a 125cc single cylinder motor. It's making just over 13 brake horsepower. This particular bike is a 2018 18 plate bike. One owner from new, is covered 5,500 miles with a full service history. So we'll give you a walk around the bike. It's just arrived. It's an ABS model, as most bikes are now. Single disc on this. It's a Nissan, really powerful radially mounted caliper, upside down forks in really nice condition. Tyres are in really nice condition as well. The bike's not done a great deal. Nice LED indicators on the front and this kind of split top and bottom Neo Café Racer style headlight, and it's got an aftermarket screen on there as well. As we come around this side, you can see it's in the contrasting white silver trim. Bodywork's in fair condition. There's a couple of little marks here and there as you'd expect for a bike that's a couple of years old, but on the whole the bike's in nice condition. Engine's in really good running order, no oil leaks or anything like that. As I said, full service history, and as you probably already noticed, it's got a short Black Widow can, which sounds absolutely awesome. Rear tyres in nice condition. As you can see, it's still got the lines on it, which means it's brand new, not really seen the road at all. You'll notice that it's got the standard tail tidy on it. We could replace that if you wanted with an aftermarket one. We do offer discount on any accessories purchased with a bike and fitted, and we do offer discount for all of our customers thereafter once you purchase the bike. On this side, it's pretty much the same story. It's in very nice condition. Rear chain and sprockets look like they've been done very recently. Obviously, we check the chain, sprockets, brakes, tyres and all that kind of stuff as part of our PDI. There's only one mark to mention, which is just here on the trim. Looks like a little scuff, potentially where the bike has been dropped at some point, but the bike is completely HPI clear. We will be replacing that panel before the bike goes out, so that damage will not be there, but it's just arrived, as I said, and it's a waiting prep, so no point in trying to cover it up. Bike's got a tank pad on it, aftermarket. The bike is also data tagged. If you're not sure what that is, we can explain that to you on the phone. Just turn the ignition on so you can have a look at the dash. So it's a fully digital dash on this model. As you can see, it's got a gear indicator, which is quite rare for a 125. Obviously the revs go over the top. You've got your miles per hour and you've got your fuel there. Covered just over 5,000 miles. Let's give it a start up for you. Sounds absolutely awesome. So we do offer finance, we offer a part exchange facility, and for the duration of lockdown this bike will come with free delivery as well. Happy to take any inquiries. You can reach out to us via WhatsApp, Facebook. We have live chat on both the website and Auto Trader, and of course I'm happy to take any calls. Thanks very much for watching. Speak to you soon.